this is Watch Hobby. Welcome to another unboxing. I have here a very plain cardboard box. Alright, but as you can see here, this is a Casio, the GMW-B5000TCM-1JR. This is the square G-Shock titanium. Let's see what the box for the display watch box comes in. So it comes in. This is, as I said, this is a transport box which is actually very plain. This is the main watch box itself. Which is black. There's nothing else in the box. This is it. Nice, like cushion-like case surface area with a nice G-Shock in black. Nice metal plate here with the digital camo box. I believe this is all the documentation. Let's see. Oh yes, all the various modules, manual for the modules and so on, plus the guarantee document. The watch box itself. Let's see how it looks like. The box. The watch itself. It is light. Anyway, I'll do a review soon. Keep following the channel. Get back to you very soon about this particular timepiece. Bye.